Okay, so we're ready to go ahead and jack the car up and get the wheel off. I do recommend you get a hydraulic floor jack if you're going to be doing this yourself often, or just working on the car in general by yourself. Makes things a lot easier than and less dangerous than dealing with the stock floor jack. So you can just take your socket now in your hand and just loosen these the rest of the way. Okay, we've got all the lug bolts out. I'm going to just lift the tire off of there. Got our new one here. So you'll just need to look carefully, line up the bolts to get started. Just get a couple of them in.